Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. So in the previous video we created this modal, we added the form with inputs, title, slug and the content. Okay, now in this video I'm going to create a post and display the post on the table here, but before that here we have on posts we have this icon and I want to change that. So if you go to Mary UI, on the icon here, so all the default icons are powered by the blade arrow icons and you can use them right away. So X icon, you can see more of there. So if I open here the arrow icons, here we have, and I searched and find this one. So I'm going to use this one on the post. So let's open the VS Code. Let's go to app.blade, and here on the menu when we have posts, we have this envelope, but now let's use this document plus. So add the document plus here and let's save and let's see on the browser what we got. Mary UI, yeah, now we have something like this. Okay, next let's open the post index. Here we have a form, we have this save method and we need to create that save method in here. But before that, let's create the form object. So let's open the terminal and say artisan livewire :form, and I'm going to name it post form. Hit enter. Okay, and let's open that post form. Let's create the fields first. So public $sign title and also slug and the content. Not body, but it's going to be content like this. Next, I'm going to create the method. So let's say public function. And I'm going to name it store, this one. We're going to call this validate and then post create, pass in the title, slug and the content. And let's import this post. Then it's going to reset and I don't want to dispatch an alert event. Okay. Let's store it. Good. Now for the validation, let's add just to say validate. And right now I'm going to say just it's going to be string and required. So let's copy that and do the same thing for the slug and for the content. Okay, now in post index class, we need to inject that post. So we can say public post form $sign form like this. And now let's create the save method we call here. So on the form we have this save method and let's create it right here. Save. And I'm going to say this form, call this form store. Okay, so on the post we have the store and then this post modal false. If I save that and let's see on the browser, if I refresh, open the modal, right now, yeah, we have this click me. Just let me change that also. Not click me, but it's going to say save. And refresh. Open that. Now if I click save, we have the require field must be a string. And here the require field must be a string for the slug. Why we don't have that? Form.slug. Yeah. Not from, but form slug like this. And now refresh and open. Let's save. Yeah, now we have all of them. Good. I'm going to refresh and let's just say first post. I'm going to say first dash post like this and just some text here, and let's say save. And here we have the first post, the slug, as you can see here. Let's create another one, and let's say the second post, second post. Okay, second post here, and add some gibberish, and let's say save. Now the modal closed. Here we have a post, and if we open, the fields are empty. So when we create the post, we say this reset, so it's going to reset the title, slug, and the content. Okay, just one more thing here. We have added that, so if I go to post index, bg red, and we don't see that bg red here, because if I go on the Mary UI, on examples of list of data, we have the table, and if we scroll down, yeah, here when we have added the bg red 100, as you can see, the ID has this color. But in our case, we don't have that because we need to go. So let's open the tailwind config, and on the tailwind config, we need to add on the content also the path of this index, post index. So the Tailwind CSS is going to look there for the classes. And let's do that here. So I'm going to say app slash and Livewire, and then let's say ** all.php, and let's save now. Now if I open the Mary UI, as you can see, now we have here the classes we want, and let's create another one. So let's say the new post and new post here, and some gibberish, save. Yeah, here is now the table, and we can create posts here. Now in the next video, I'm going to add the edit. So when we click here right now, as you can see, we have just this undefined, because let's close this tailwind and let's go to post dash index. Here when we have the table, we have row click, alert, event, detail, name, but we don't have name, we have the title or the slug, for example. And now if I refresh and click here, yeah, we have first post, second post, and new post here. Now in the next video, I want, when we click here, to open the modal to edit the, for example, the first post here, or second, and so on. And also add a button right here to delete the post. Okay, so see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, because it's going to help me to rank on YouTube. All the best. Thank you.